Alrighty, y'all, so I got the Civic backed out here. Got everything bagged up down there. Battery disconnected. Got a lot of sputs on there. A lot of nastiness on the fuel filter. Just a lot of nastiness. I haven't cleaned this engine bay at all. I'm gonna get underneath and try and spray it off as well. So I'm gonna get it jacked up. Gonna be using this LA's Awesome undiluted. So I'm gonna get the jack under there and get it sprayed down, then hose it off. Like I said, we got the Civic all washed down here. She's just drying off a little bit. I did soak everything pretty crazy. Here you can see a nice pool of water in there. I'm not really too concerned about it. Yeah, hell yeah. Alrighty guys, so I'm actually gonna try and drive the car back in. I'm gonna warm it up out here for a little bit. Not drying because it's really cold, so that's why I wanna warm it up. I don't want it to freeze and get ice crystals, so. Let's get to it. Just steam. Should probably turn a heater on here tonight, so do that. Go finish up what I was doing on the fence back there. Alrighty guys, so I'm going through my footage right now, and my second half of this video kind of corrupted. So this is where we're going to leave off, and the next video is going to be widening the gate and getting the car out and getting it tuned. Unfortunately, I couldn't get out and get it tuned today because we were having all kinds of crazy weather, snow and rain and shit, and I just don't want all that getting on my engine bay. I'm not putting the hood back on, and so yeah, that'll be coming in the next video. I'm doing my best to drop these videos on Friday. I know I missed the last 2 weeks, but I've had some really crazy shit going on in my life. But that's life though. So fuck yeah. I do appreciate every single one of my new subscribers. I do believe we just hit 400 subscribers last night. So huge shout out to everybody. I really fucking appreciate you. And yeah, make sure you share this with all your friends. If you dig it, thumbs up, and drop a comment below and let me know what you guys are working on your projects for yourselves. All right. Have a good one, guys. Peace out.